Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing an outfits video in which I'm going to be showing several ways that you can style combat boots with skirts and dresses. That's all I wear. So if you're interested in skirt and dress fashion, this is the place to be. So I hope you can subscribe and continue watching. The boots that I'm working with are my Stuart Weitzman boots. I recently shared an unboxing of these boots. I had my eye on them for a while and I was able to get them. So I came up with several outfits here, how you can style skirts and dresses with combat boots going into the spring or any season, of course, but it's particularly great for now. I like to wear knee-high boots, but these combat boots are much shorter, so it's a nice transition piece into the warmer months. So if you want to see several outfits of styling combat boots with skirts and dresses, then I hope you keep watching. So the first outfit, I'm starting out with this black bodycon dress. I purchased this from Amazon. I paired it with this cute little belt that has this little silver chain detail on it. I got this from the Goodwill for $1.50. I'm topping it with this long jacket. This is an outfit piece, the jacket to a skirt that I got, and I actually got it from my grandmother, so it was a hand-me-down piece, something she had in her collection. So I'm just styling these Stuart Weitzman boots with this first outfit here. I love the oversized pockets of this, and again it has a matching skirt, but I like to pair it with a bodycon dress for the modesty aspect. It gives a sleek frame to layer with a loose fitting long jacket. And then I'm going to change this into this sweater. This is a Daisy Fuentes sweater that I purchased from the Goodwill several years ago, so I'm going to try it with this also. Next, I'm going to try on this three-piece set. This is a blazer, a off-white shirt, and is this blue? And a blue skirt. The blazer is by American Eagle Outfitters. The skirt, I'm pretty sure, is the bottom half of a suit. This is by Rena Rowan, and this shirt is from Charlotte Russe. And with every outfit, I am pairing it with black tights, so I'm just leaving those on. It's still pretty cold right now, and this is just the way I'm putting it all together. And again, I mentioned that this skirt is a blue, so it's a navy blue, and the jacket just happens to have some pinstripes there that are light blue. So I think the color combination is really cute, and this is a gray jacket. Again, putting something a little more dressy with something a little more edgy, and that combination I think is a nice little blend and gives you a nice unique outfit. It's subtle, but it's a nice look. And next I have this little outfit. This is a dress from Shein, and this is a little blazer by Carolina Belle, and I'm going to pair it by itself first, and then I'm also going to try it with the belt that has a little silver chain on it and see how this looks together. And next I have this bodycon dress. This is by Boohoo. This is pretty old, but if I find something similar, I will link it below. This dress was originally much longer. I cut the bottom to shorten it, and then it had splits down the two sides in the front, and I sewed those up. So I modified this dress just a little bit, and then I'm pairing it with this thing that I've been wanting to use as like a belt. I made this on my other channel, which I will link and I will put in the screen below if you want to check it out. It's a DIY channel. I usually make projects on that channel, and I've recently converted a lot of my fashion videos over to here, but this video is still over there, in which I just cut up a pair of my son's jeans and made it into like this little belt thing I like to use when I'm working on a project. It holds all my supplies in the front and the back. But over here, I thought it would be a nice little fashion piece to add to an outfit. So because this is a bodycon dress, to give it a little bit of modesty, this will hide, you know, some of the parts that you don't want just to be out there and exposed. It has really short sleeves. It's like a little cap sleeve, which is okay, but this is just the way the dress would look if you had this styled over it with the combat boots. And as you can see, it adds that bit of modesty, but it gives you a nice little fashionable outfit. And of course, these dresses don't have pockets, so you have instant pockets in the front and the back. Next, I'm going to pair this Amazon dress. It's a little, you know, a jersey knit material with this little jacket. This is from Pink Martini. Anything that was an online purchase, I will link it below if I can. This jacket I did get from the Goodwill. This is a very unique looking piece. That's one of the great things I love about the Goodwill, is that you can find things like this. I would have never been able to really like search for this online, or even in a physical store, but I found it in the Goodwill, and I'm going to pair these two things together. Next, I'm going to go with this tweed skirt that I featured in a previous video, a styling video. This is a New York & Company skirt, and this is a Shein, well, actually I think this is Fashion Nova, yes, and this Fashion Nova sweater. So one of my favorite things about this sweater is it has the thumb cutouts and it's also cropped. I just think that's a cute little detail. It is a turtleneck, ribbed, and again with a tweed skirt. Next two outfits I'm just going to share really quick. These sweater outfits. This one is a black and white sweater with a black sweater skirt. This is a navy blue sweater with a gray sweater skirt. I'm here, I actually realized I have this satin skirt. This is not ironed or anything, but I'm just going to try it on really quick because I think this will look cute with the boots too. So again, it was a last minute decision to try on this skirt. It is a medium from Shein, not ironed, so just keep that in mind. But it definitely pairs nicely with the combat boots. Next, I'm going to try on this New York & Company skirt with a black turtleneck, and then I'm also going to put over it this scarf sweater thing that I made, inspired by one of those Instagram sweaters. I don't know if you remember, a few years ago they were selling things that look like this where you could put your arms in, but it was a scarf. I linked to the video where I made this and a couple of other options, and on my other channel, but I'm going to try this on with the turtleneck. Thing I'm gonna do is try on these suspenders. I got these suspenders from the Goodwill for $1.50. Can't go wrong trying new things there, and pairing it with this black skirt. Next, I have on this long maxi dress from Rotita. This is a short sleeve dress. It's really comfortable. It has two splits on the sides, but of course I'm wearing black tights underneath. So this is the outfit with the boots, and I have it paired with this Calvin Klein blazer. going to be trying out some sweaters, 2 sweater dresses and a sweater set. The sweater set here, this is from H&M. So I'm going to try this with this first. And I'm going to alternate the sweater top with this one, with the skirt. And then I also have this sweater dress. I cannot remember where I got this. And then I have this other sweater dress. This one is from Wish. Actually, I think they both might be from Wish. And I did an alteration of this one in another video, which I'll link below. I made this look a little bit different. So these 3 sweater outfits will be the last 3 things, and then that'll be it. So this was the final outfit. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing for more. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.